Looking for your BMI on a Garmin watch? In the next 1 minute, I'll show you where to find it, how Garmin calculates it, and how to update it whenever your weight changes. BMI basically tells you whether your body is into the underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese category. It does so by taking into account your height and weight. So to check your BMI with Garmin, grab your connected smartphone and open the Garmin Connect app. On the bottom, you'll see the More section. Open it and tap on Health Stats. There, you'll find your fitness age. Open it and select Reduce BMI. In here, you'll see your current BMI. Now to change the BMI, you need to update your current weight. To do that, scroll down and tap on Add Weight. Again, tap on Weight and adjust the slider to the correct value. See, if I update my weight here, the BMI is also updated. Just make sure you're entering your actual measured weight. Otherwise, your BMI and other health insights won't be accurate. While BMI isn't a perfect measure of overall fitness, it can still be a useful indicator to help you track changes in your body over time. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like and subscribe to Wearholic for more wearable tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.